How y'all doing? I got another micro update. I got a tree branches down here, and I think I have the source of our power outage here in the area. There is a tree down right here, and it went right on the poles. It tore it up. Oh man. Yeah, look at that. It tore the line. That's what the power out. That is crazy. It tore the limbs right off, boy. Ooh. That don't make no sense. Massive damage, boy. You can see them all over the power lines. They done messed them up. Oh, man. That's crazy. Yeah. I'm showing some of the people down in Florida, we getting it too now. I got a couple people I know live in Florida. They still got it hit bad. I know. I mean, that darn tree right there is dead. I'll be afraid to be in that house with that tree right there. It's already fallen. That's where it fell. That dead tree. I don't know if we'll be standing in the door like that. Oh, man.